So guys, you guys remember before we placed an order in this platform, we had 3,421 followers, and as you can see right here, it's still the same. So all we need to do right now for us to actually know if these followers has reflected is for us to actually refresh. So how do you refresh? You need to draw it down, and we currently have 3,482 followers, right? It actually means that these followers have started counting, right? Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best website to boost your TikTok followers in Ghana. The website is growbetter.net, as you can see right here on the screen, growbetter.net, and the link is in the description. All you need to do is to tap on the link and it's going to take you to the website, right? So the first thing we need to do actually is for us to actually create an account. And when you come to this platform, this is exactly how it looks like. When you come to the platform, all we need to do is to scroll down right here, and you can see the sign up right here. You just need to tap on it, and once we tap on it, right, it's going to bring a place where we are going to be creating a username. And once you create a username, come to this email, put your email, and come right here, put your password, and come to this confirm password, and confirm your password, and click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. Easy peasy. And due because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right now is for me to log into my account and show you guys exactly how to use this website. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account. As you can see right here, when you create an account, I log in, is exactly how it's going to be looking like. So the first thing we need to do is so if you want to boost your TikTok follower, the first thing you need to do is for you to actually come right here, and this category right here, can you see this category right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, scroll down and look for TikTok followers, right? And right here you can see TikTok followers and likes, right? And I love using this particular one, this particular TikTok followers 10% drop fast. I love using this particular one, TikTok followers, 10% drop fast delivery. So you don't need to select it. And the next you need to do is for you to come to this service. And when you come to service, select any preferable one. I love using the first one. Then read the description. And the description is actually what describes the service. And right here they say the quality is worldwide profile. They say the start time is instant, and the speed is 20k per day, and the refill is 10 days. And right here they say important note: when the service is busy, the starting speed of the process may vary. Do not place second order on the same link before your order is completed in the system. So what they mean right here is that when you place an order, you don't need to exercise patience. In case if the order delay, it might be from the system. You don't need to place another order on that same link. Just exercise patience, is going to complete, right? So this place the road link actually is where you put your profile link. Just in case you don't know how to copy your profile link or TikTok, let me show you guys how to do that. So let's go. So right now I'm on my TikTok. If you want to copy your link, all you need to do is for you to come to this arrow right here. Can you see this arrow up here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, come to this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link? Tap on it, and your link is copied. But before then, I want you guys to actually mark how many followers we have right now before we place order. Right here you can see we have 3,421 followers before we place the order. As you can see right here, you just need to mark it because we are going to be coming back for you to actually see that these followers are going to increase. 3,421 followers is going to increase. So let's go. So if you come back to Grow Better, just paste your link right here, and boom. The next thing is to come to quantity. Quantity is actually the amount of followers you actually want. So I'm going to be inserting 100, and the next thing you need to do is for you to actually click on the submit right here. Can you see the submit right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see right here your order has been received. Easy peasy. So all we need to do right now is for us to actually exercise patience, and these followers will start coming into the account. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how do you fund account in this platform is very simple. All you need to do is for you to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it. So once you tap on it, you just need to come right here and put the amount of money you want to pay, right? You can put 20 CDs, 50 CDs, 100 CDs, 1000 CDs, depending on the amount you want to actually fund. And once you click on it, then click on this pay right here. Can you see this pay right here? Just tap on the pay, and you can see it's going to load, and boom, right here. Kodapay is going to ask you to actually insert your mobile number, and all you need to do is just to follow the process, and you are going to actually make the payment easy peasy. So it's not difficult. Just put your current number and follow the process. It's very, very easy. So this is exactly how to actually fund account in this platform, right? So what we need to do right now is for us to actually go back to TikTok to actually confirm if these followers have started coming in. So guys, let's go. So guys, you guys remember before we place an order in this platform, we had 3,421 followers. You guys remember very clearly, and as you can see right here, it's still the same. So all we need to do right now for us to actually know if these followers has reflected is for us to actually refresh. So how do you refresh? You need to draw it down, and we currently have 3,482 followers, right? It actually means that these followers have started counting, right? You know, you guys remember how many it was before we started, and right now you can see it has increased, right? So this is exactly how to actually boost your TikTok followers right way in Ghana. You know, this is the legit website to actually boost your TikTok followers in Ghana. All you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do the same thing I just did, and you'll be able to get these followers, right? So the link is in the description. Just tap on it to take you to the website. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next video.